So this explanation should lead you now to the proper operation of Roland and Vlada's heating system in Dornbirn for our Airbnb guest. When you enter our house, you maybe find this situation. You see here a temperature which is written and the time. Okay. And then you see here on this gauge also the preset temperature which you want to have in the living room or in the house when you are here. Yeah. None of these lights is lit, which is fairly okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the temperature you have during the time you're in the house. Yeah. The heating will go up to that. Yeah. But there's another possibility. And we are working as energy efficiency experts, so we don't want to waste resources. Of course, if you're not at home, we reduce the temperature for whatever 3-4 degrees. We have set it here, I would say, to 18-19 degrees. So this temperature gauge here shows you the temperature which you want to have the house when you're not here. Yeah. Important is that this button is set here to Heizung, which means the German word for heating. Yeah. And that's it. So we start now to show you how the operation works. So, okay, let's say you think you will stay here longer in the morning and you want to have it warmer. Then let's do the time presets for the temperatures. Very simple. You open it here and then it says choose the day. Okay, we're going to choose the day and press the button plus. That means alle Wochentage, all days. Yeah. Okay, if you're here for all days, you can use this one, or if you're here just on a you want to change your setting now for a Monday, you can do it here. Go back, then it's alle Wochentage once more again. Yeah. Okay, then you use the other button. So what we are doing here, we are setting the time window for when your heating should be on the higher level or on the lower level. So if you want to change that, you go on Weiter, you press the button, then it shows Heizbeginn. We are in the menu all days. Heizbeginn means begin of heating, 7:30 in the morning. Okay, then the temperature will go to this gauge. It says Sparbeginn, start of saving. That means the temperature will go to this gauge, which we have set a little bit lower. Yeah, it's 8:10. If you want to change that, you go up. It's 8:20, 30, whatever you want. You just set it here when you want to stop the heating system. Let's say you go skiing, then you leave this here heating up to 10. If you go skiing at 10:30, then okay, you leave the setting here on the Heizbeginn to 7:30 and stop heating. That means start saving is whatever 10:30. You just push this up here when it is 10:30, and that's it. Then your heating system will at 10:30 switch from the higher temperature to the lower temperature. But let's assume you come back in the evening. Very simple. This one is set to 5 o'clock in the evening. Then heating starts at 5 o'clock in the evening, going once more again back from the lower temperature to the higher temperature. And same story. You can put it up and down. And the next is start of saving. Very simple. So what you really have to keep in mind when you enter the house, that you see this gauge here. By the way, now it's starting heating. Yeah, maybe you also hear it a little bit. Yeah, that means now the burner upside is burning. Yeah, okay, these lights are off. So you might see this situation, but you want to have it a little bit higher. Doesn't change anything if you put it up here, because the limiting factor on this side is the time setting. Yeah, time setting is very simple. You go to the day which you have chosen, or maybe all days. You reach that with plus. And then you go here on the button with Weiter, you can go to start heating, or which means Heizbeginn, or stop heating, which means start saving is Sparbeginn. So I hope that explanation was quite fine for you. If you need to find more, you find it in the internet. If you put in Junkers, this is what is written here, TR200, then you find also manuals in the internet. We hope you enjoy your stay in our house. Many greetings.